Good morning. Uh, I would like to make this video because I would like to thank Winston and his team after finishing the completing the 5 day course. I feel that I actually owe them a testimonial. I did one, the first one, which was after day two. I think after going through the 5 day course, I think this is the thing that I can uh, repay him as he have given me a lot of value. I've picked up a lot of strategy and mindset and lots of things which I can apply in my field. For your information, I'm not what you call a digital marketer. Uh, I'm in a agriculture and biomass field. We do more like B2B, a bit of B2C, uh, like more to agriculture and protein conversion, which is totally out of the digital marketing thing. Uh, but because of the MCO, with the time at hand, uh, then I was actually watching YouTube, and the beans advertisement came on, and I said, hey, yeah, why not give it a try? It was very intense for me, 5 days. Uh, but after finishing the 5 days, I feel that it's one of the best investment which I've made for myself. Yeah, we used to buy things and to what we call celebrate and we buy things for other, but uh, yeah, this is investment in yourself. Upskill yourself, put it that way. As we all know that with the MCO thing and this COVID-19, life will not be the same even after the MCO. That's why we need to upskill ourselves, evolve. Otherwise, we'll be redundant, and it's like expired stock. Put it that way. But Vince have put in great effort, and his team has put in a lot of effort because most of these things, unlike me, it's like I'm doing a one-man video. For him to reach out to a bigger mass, you need a lot of what we call back end work, and those are the people that you don't see their face, you don't even hear their sound, their voices, and all that. But without these people, uh, things just don't go smoothly. Uh, I would like to thank everybody, uh, Vin's team, Vin's family, uh, and all of them, which I don't even see them on the screen, but thank you. Moving forward, uh, I think there is a lot of, sorry, my cat. It's a stray cat which I rescued from the drain next to the apartment. Uh, yeah, where was I? Yes, a lot of things which we have actually know but didn't practice, and a lot of things that it didn't came into, it's like something hidden at the back of our mind. It was not brought forward. So after attending the 5 days intense course, which was rather tiring for me, I'm no longer young like most of the presenter. In fact, I'm 57 this year, and I feel that it what we call regenerate the fire, and I'm waiting for the MCO to be over, and I'm full of excitement, which I think I will do more research because it was so intense. I need a few days to maybe a few weeks to digest what has been taught to us, and I'm going to put it into action. And like most of what the presenters have told us, knowledge without action is nothing. So we need to put into action. So I'm finding a lot of ways, a lot of things are moving in my mind. I need to digest it. Yeah, I will do a more in-depth review how I can put this into practice on a later stage. Again, thank you Vince, thank you Vince team to set up this community, and I'm very honored and very proud to be part of this community. Thank you. I'm not good at doing video. This is the second one. But yeah, there's always the first time. Thank you.